A splash of milk. Understanding common English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, specifically the phrase, a splash of milk. This might seem simple, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday English conversations. Firstly, let's understand the literal meaning of a splash of milk. Imagine pouring milk into a cup of tea or coffee. A splash refers to a small amount, just enough to change the color or taste. It's not a precise measurement but rather a casual, everyday term. Now, let's look at the figurative aspect. In English, we often use phrases like this to imply moderation or a small addition. For instance, saying, "I'll have a splash of milk in my coffee," suggests you don't want too much milk. It's a way of communicating preference in an informal, conversational manner. Let's see some examples to understand better. 1. In a cafe, "Could I have a splash of milk in my tea, please?" 2. Cooking. "Just add a splash of milk to the batter." 3. Figurative speech. "I only have a splash of time before my next meeting." Notice how the phrase changes slightly based on the context but always signifies a small, often informal, addition or amount. In different English-speaking cultures, this phrase might have slight variations. For example, in the UK, it's a very common way to describe how much milk one wants in tea. In the US, it might be more common to hear this in the context of coffee. Understanding these cultural nuances is key to using the phrase appropriately. And that's a wrap on a splash of milk. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and its usage in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about context and culture. Keep practicing, and don't forget to add a splash of fun to your learning journey. See you in the next video.